Oh, this needs a sharper blade.
Yeah.
Is that one of the reversible blades? Pop it out, turn it around, pop it back in, get a sharp blade?
I don't know. Yes, it is, but I don't know if the other side's been used or not. Is that trash? I hope.
Yes.
Pardon me, lady.
If not, it is now. So yeah, my funny post office story. So the Penzig medallions, that comes from my company. So last year was my first year bidding in on the Penzig medallions.
Alright.
Takes 10 boxes to ship all medallions here. Boxes 1 through 9 make Penzig just fine. Box number 10, for some god unknown reason, got sent to Spain.
That's special.
Right.
Can I help you?
Yeah, by all means, jump in.
Okay. Does it matter? Do you want me to grab there or there?
Yes. Work that corner. Madrid, Spain, to an APO. I'm like,
Huh.
yeah, because that sounds like Cooper's Lake Campground, Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania.
Absolutely. Common mistake.
Probably the coding.
Somebody's alarm.
That's me. It's telling me it's 4:30.
You got a split?
That means I've got to pack up my gear, make it back home, and shower. My wife's going to kill me. Because she's got to sit next to this for the next hour and a half. She will not be unhappy in court.
You gonna take them out?
Well, I'll tell you, His Majesty East was in a real good mood when I saw him. Half an hour ago. So, well, 45 minutes ago.
Oh, that makes me happy.
Yeah. So,
That makes me super happy then.
hopefully.
Hey, Stuna, go the right direction. Haha, I win. Alright, so. Yep. And unfortunately, I got a bail.
Okay.
So, we'll let you.
What that corner, and then after that, where would you recommend pulling?
So I'm gonna say you want to take here, right?
Cool. Yeah.
And probably up to here.
Okay.
Then let the skin talk to you.
Okay.
Okay. So you're probably gonna want to have another one here.
Okay.
All right. Another one here. Every time it bags down. Okay.
That's where you want it. Got it.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Okay. And the idea is, of course, try and keep the tension as level as you can. You know, this one,
That one too.
that
Okay,
one
cool.
too. You
And those you
know,
want to grab more because it's the sensitive skin up there. Is that the neck?
that's the neck.
Okay.
Okay. You got it? All right.
Pleasure working with you.
It's a pleasure. Thanks for having me up. All right. So you got mail. You got.